Okay, good morning, friends. Today we'll see how to make a drafting, 2D drafting of a 3D assembly. Here I have selected the 3D assembly of a knuckle joint. The drawing of which you need a drafting has to be opened in the window. Next, go to Start, Mechanical Design, and then search for drafting. So once you select a drafting module will open. So first it will ask new drawing creation, whether you need the all the projections, three projections, front bottom right or front top left, or you need a plain empty sheet. And in a modify you have to select, there are options to select the drawing sheet, ISO standard, whether A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 size. Here I will use A4 size sheet. If you want to take a printout, take a A4 size sheet, landscape, press OK and select three views whatever you need and press OK, or take a plain sheet. So it will open a drafting window with the three views of the knuckle joint. So these are the three views of the knuckle joint. So before going into this, first you need to take the nameplate of the sheet. So go to edit, sheet background, and in sheet background you will see the window will appear bluish in color. So in that you have few toolbars. In that important is drawing. In that there is a frame creation. Frame is the nameplate. So click it. You will get a window. In that select, there are three templates available. First I will use second, creation, press OK. So you will get a A4 size sheet with all the details, and then you will get a nameplate, that is frame. Double click, by default you will get Dassault System. Put any other name, make caps lock on and write drafting. Okay, put all the details such as scale, drawn by whom, date, everything. Here you cannot edit the drawing, only you can do editing of this nameplate. So once this is over, go to edit, go to working game, again in the same working views, working views where you cannot edit now, the now you can edit the drawing. So this drawing size is larger than the A4 size sheet. So what you can do is just change the scale of it. So red dotted line indicates this window is active, this drawing is active. Blue indicates it is inactive. So once it is active, right click on it, go to its properties and change its properties. So what are the changes we can make? By default you will not find any hidden lines in the drawing. So check in hidden lines, axis, center line, if there is any thread. Reduce the scale as it is more, size is more, make 1:3. Press apply OK. The size will reduce, which you can place it inside this. Again double click here, so that make it active. Right click, properties, 1:3, all this axis, hidden, center, thread, press OK. Then you go to this view, side view, double click it, right click, properties, 1:3, hidden lines, axis, center line, thread, press OK. So this way you have reduced the scale of all the figures, so that it will be able to accommodate in this A4 size sheet. Now if you see this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and all the parameters. Now What are the toolbars available here? Just see view toolbar, generate dimensions, drawing, dimensioning, geometry, modify, annotations, geometry creation. Now the geometry creation and geometry modification is available in part modeling. If you have to draw something here, and note something, then you can take this. Here you have line, circle, point, all the profile command. In modify you have constraint, mirror, all those commands which we know it in part modeling. So other than this we have dimensioning. If we have to dimension, then just you have to make the active sheet active red dotted. Now suppose go for the dimension, first linear dimension, just click that edge and just drag it. So it has taken the diameter. Because it's a diameter, you can click it over here. So this way you can put all the dimensions. Suppose if you need a length, then click it over here, this line, suppose this line, and you need a length, drag it. So you will get the required dimension what was available. Even if you have changed its scale, you will get the same dimensions. So this way you can give all the dimensions of the drawing. So to change the dimension properties, for example, if I have this diameter of this circle, just click it, drag it, so I will get the dimension. Now we generally don't write 48 like this. We should have an inclined line and then straight line, and over it it has to be written. So in that case, by default it is available. So if you have to change, right click, change the properties. In the properties, you can change lot many values. You have value, tolerance, dimension, line. You can modify the values. You can change the type of arrow, what type of representation it is, dimension line, regular or two parts. I need in two parts. So thickness, color you can keep, press OK. You will get that dimension in this way. If you have to change its font size, so right click, properties, and go to its font size. There is option called font. So in this you can change its font. Suppose if I have to increase or decrease, just click. If you have to change its style, then color, everything we can change it. So this way we can modify the dimensions. Then there are certain views. Suppose I need, in a view toolbar there are certain views available, that is front view, unfolded view, view from 3D, projection view, auxiliary view, isometric. Now let us see how to bring a isometric. Click it over here and go to window and open that knuckle joint. Now click at a point where is the observer, from which position you have to see that. So I will click it here. I need to see the isometric in this orientation, so I will click at this point. So the isometric along this view will be available on the screen. Click it outside, you will get the isometric view. Then right click, double click it, make it active, right click it, go to the properties and change its scale 1:3. Don't put any hidden line, axis line, as it is not available for the isometric view. Press OK. So you will get an isometric view. Such a way you can have multiple views in the sheet. You can edit this, double click it and then edit it. Front view, top view, scale is written everywhere, so you can write collectively here scale or in this sheet directly. So just double click it and delete it if you don't need everywhere the scales. Press OK. So now there is an option called sectional view. If we want sectional view, then take this and select a profile Now this is not active, so first I will make it active. Double click it, it will be red. Go to sectional view. From where you need, just click it, double click on the other point, then it will ask whether you need on the this side or this side. So click it outside, so you will get a sectional view. So if you want to change the hatching distance, then right click on it, change its properties. Here you have to change the pitch. It was 5, I will make it 1. Press OK. So its pitch will change, or the distance between the lines will change. You can change the angle. Actually it is 30 degree, but normally it must be 45 degree. So I will make it 45. So this is the hatching. Again I will change this to 45. It's 150. I will make it 45. So this is the way we can have a sectional view in any direction. If we want a auxiliary view, there are so many options. We can have a auxiliary view also. So select this auxiliary view, double click, I will get a auxiliary view. Now this drawing I can only move along this direction because it's a auxiliary view. This drawing I cannot move anywhere, only horizontally I can move because it is a side view. But the isometric view can be moved anywhere, as it's isometric, it don't have any relation with these views. So this way you can have various views. So there are various 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 symbols, annotations, tolerance symbol, lay symbol, welding symbol. We can put it in the drawing, and then we can create a good production drawing. Now here all the views are over. How to save this file? Save it as a PDF. Go to save as type PDF and write the name knuckle joint. It will be saved as a PDF file. Already there is a file, so I will give one save. So it has been saved as a PDF file. You can also save this as a drawing file. File, save as a drawing file. Knuckle joint as a cat drawing file, so that you can make the modification here, again make a PDF of it. So you can save in this way. Here I have told you so many options. Still there are so many options which you can see any production drawing and try to create it using that symbols. There are symbols wherein a particular part, if you have to zoom it, so that are available. So most of the common commands has been discussed here. Thank you.